vehicles are passing by. So I'm trying to speak loud, and there's a beautiful, this waterfall. You can see the camera is trying to capture this. This also has a lot of sound. So I'll be a little loud, and so that I can just show you. If you can see, there's a bird sitting out there. If you take a close up, just in the center, there's a little rock and there's a bird sitting, and she's sitting there for the last 15-20 minutes that I'm noticing her. And see, it's such a green area. In the middle, this water is flowing. It's the feed to your eyes. Generally these days, we don't get to see all this. We don't get to see this beautiful nature, this lush green nature. And this is the reason that I have named this topic that I want to talk about today. Let my voice be as like an anchor for this, and I want you people to enjoy this beautiful water and the scenic beauty. So I don't mind being an anchor at the back and then narrating this whole thing. So the topic is connect with the nature. Why it is important in today's times to connect with the nature, to come to such isolated places. People make one mistake when they go for tourism, when they go for traveling. They go for the main famous places of that particular city or that particular country. Of course, that will be completely crowded, full of so many people, because everybody wants to see that tourist place. Where will you find peace? Where will you find that isolation there? You will never be able to de-stress yourself in a crowded area, no matter if you go to a hill station also. Okay? Look at this site. Do you think you need any depression pill? Do you think you need any stress remedy? Do you think you need any kind of medical help or a psychiatrist if you connect with this kind of nature? See, this is the reason I'm saying that connecting with nature is extremely important. And I come to such places where, I find these locations with the help of my team. My team does all this hard work more than me. I just have to stand by and speak to you people through the camera, and I connect with you people on YouTube. But this is the hard work of my team members who find this kind of location for me, because they know that what exactly I'm looking for, because I don't get this much of time to find locations. Okay? So I just want to say that plants and trees and the nature, the water, all these 5 elements which are there, we have stopped being friends with this element. These elements are our best friends. And we human beings these days, the biggest mistakes what we are doing, we are just going to the pubs, to the discotheques, to the most modern, technologically, we have become sound. We think we have become, very sound. But practically, if you see, in reality, I always say there's so much right now the human has to still discover. Okay? And we have started going away from the roots of nature, from the essence and the beauty of nature, which is something which is causing all the problems in a human body and a human brain. I always tell that, come around where green plants are there. Inhale the fresh oxygen. If you will see, you can imagine and you can just give it a guesswork that how pure this place looks as it is. This place looks amazing. Even in the camera, once you see this, you will find so much positivity that, wow, such a beautiful place. This is actually very much, I would say, peaceful for your eyes also. Okay? So I always say that right now, of course, this is a lush green area, but in your houses, start connecting with plants, start connecting with flowers through the form of gardening, through the form of growing plants, organic things. These days, it's a very fashion statement that yes, we eat organic food. Okay? But then I always say that this is coming from ages in our country, just planting our own vegetables, which we call the kitchen garden. Okay? This has been happening from our grandmother's times, but we have forgotten this. And now the stage has come that due to our own mistakes of humans, of cutting the trees and destroying the environment, that for the same vegetable, the pure vegetable which we were getting before, now we are paying double, triple price at the name of organic food. Okay, And how do you actually know whether it's organic or not all the time? The best is to restart that time once again. You cannot get back the previous time, but you can restart a new time for yourself. Maybe just take a little place in your own house, and start growing those vegetables, start growing some beautiful flowers, connect with them, have a relationship with them on everyday basis. And the stress and the depression and all the disturbances, unnecessary disturbances of your mind that you go through will be finished slowly and steadily. Nature, plants are our best friends. Always remember this. And the day and the time you understand this, half the problems of your life, of your general daily things will finish. Okay, so I would end this beautiful video of the scenic beauty here right now, and I hope you enjoy this video. And see, still the bird is sitting on that rock. Okay, start gardening, start growing plants, flowers, and see, she is so peaceful. The bird